Good afternoon, folks. It's Nola. I have another kit ready. This one is pink and gold. Now I'm going to tear it apart and then show you all the pieces. So let's go like so. And okay, now we'll start out with these two pieces. Very pink and gold. Lots of pieces here you could cut out individually. And then this piece, this strip, and also this star here. Then we have this little piece that goes very well with that. And then we have this piece, which I love, that piece. Got some bling here that we could put in there. We have this piece with black and pink and you name it. And then we have this pretty piece with this gold decal down here. So let's see, I'll put that one there. We have a small piece of gold that can go here. We have some gold fringe, which is always nice. We have another piece of pink here. This is a very long one with some dangles on the end. I think this was the last, maybe the last piece of that one. I'm not positive. We'll put that one up there. Then we have this one here. Beautiful pink with some green and gold. And we have this piece with the gold and the pink. And a nice piece of pink. Not as bright as the other one, but pink. And we have this one. It's a very big pink and teal. But you can just cut the teal off of that pink to go with that. We have a gold piece with mirrors on here. We have another piece with half-back pearls and pink. That one. We have kind of an odd shaped piece here, but this pink is left over from something. So I thought it would look neat in there as well. A piece of gold trim and a pink bling. We have another pink and gold. We have a pink flower in hot pink. 3 tiny little medallions. And these things, they cost 45 cents a piece. They were a ridiculous amount of money. So that was my cost, 45 cents. I think it's ridiculous. Anyway, then I have this string of shells that I thought went well, and then just some pink ribbon. So that's kit number 43, and that's $20. So if you like it, let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye now.